All right, I'm about to shoot a social media reel, and let's see what it takes to get the shot. I have to freaking mount this to the roof so that I can get a certain angle with the camera because the thread doesn't work for the tripod head. So problem solving upon problem solving. Let's see. This is sick. I mounted the Osmo on a light stand. Just gotta drill this thing in. Ooh, quick drilling. I already did it for the social media reel. Now, let me see what I can do. Okay, the camera. All right, so I'm gonna shoot this. The whole concept is when people are feeling lost, what to do. So I'm gonna make probably like the social media reel first, and then I'm gonna make the YouTube video of it. So, freak. But I have these cool ideas for some shots that I want to attempt to execute. So hopefully this works out. Ideally, I would like to have it on like my like a tripod head, but tripod head, let me see, what am I trying to do here? Tripod head, yeah, this would be pretty sick, or like this. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Let's see. I wonder if it'll hold it though. Here's the real test. Let's see, these are, I think it's a newer light mount. Let's see if newer holds up to it. Seems to be doing well. I might have to like plug it into like a HDMI cable to like my monitor to see if it'll like, just see what it looks like, I guess. Oh, this is a pretty sick shot. This is a pretty sick shot. Oh, it's recording already. That's pretty dope. Let me see. I wish, dang, now I kind of wish like it was a little. Oh crap, I have all my settings still on for the podcast. This is kind of sick though. All right, so next thing, I guess, I gotta set the frame. I gotta set the frame for the shot. And I think I'm gonna shoot it in reel format. And it'll be like, I have an idea, I'm gonna like post, I'm gonna keyword it for the search engine as a reel. And then I'm gonna use the reel to like try to drive traffic to the full YouTube length video. I don't know, it's just an idea, we'll see how it works. This is a cool angle. All right, I'm gonna use the like an HDMI cable to run to this monitor from the camera so I could kind of get the frame. This is very, unnecessary, I feel like, but what I'm learning from YouTube content is that like maybe I should document all these extra, like pretty much everything I do to get my result, because I feel like with social media content it's like so quick to me, like the turnaround time and like everything is just fast. So I feel like I'm used to operating it a lot like quicker. But YouTube, I think it's like better to take more time with it and make it better. I had this like crazy realization because I was looking at my YouTube and, whoa, what the heck? Yeah, I was looking at my YouTube and where is this frame at? Oh, okay. I was looking at my YouTube and it was all my old music videos. And I was kind of embarrassed. I was like, wanted to delete them, but I think I'm gonna leave them up. But what I took away from it was how much like time and effort it used to take to make a music video. It was like, dude, like hella like days of planning, and then like the whole wardrobe, like all the costumes or whatever that we would use. And then, so I was like, dang, that's what it takes kind of to put out YouTube content. It's not just like a quick social media edit. It's like a whole ass pre-production, everything. It's like, you know what I mean? So if I take that level of rigor in my YouTube content, I'm excited to, is it not working? Or I guess I could just even still run it the same way. Still run it from the Blackmagic to the monitor. I was gonna run it straight from the monitor to the camera, but I guess the camera is not liking that. I don't know what's not liking it, but it's not working. All right, so we got the camera mounted to the Blackmagic. So now we could see our frame. So now I gotta set the frame. So now I have the framing, and I feel like it's gonna basically be like this. Yeah, so it'll look like this. And then, how's the lighting? Should I light myself? I have the key light right here. It's kind of like bouncing. I'm more so getting a bounce instead of a key, but I think it looks pretty all right. I could open this to get more. I could open this window to let a little bit more like ambient soft light in. That'll make it look more. I don't know. I kind of like the darker better, honestly. Yeah, let's chill. It's kind of like tilted this key a little bit down, and then just to like bounce it off, not so much. All right, now here's what's next. Is I gotta reset the cameras because they're set for studio podcasts. So I gotta like switch it back to log, 4K. But the freaking camera's mounted. So I'm gonna have to like reorganize the whole framing. This just seems like an annoying step to me. This seems like an annoying step. So I guess let's do it. Osmo mounted on the light mount. Check. Now, let me see if how can I do this with the least resistance? All right, let's do that, I suppose. Oh, I should probably loosen this so it's more flexible. All right, let me see. Menu, settings, media, or file. 4K, boom. What else? Fuck it, I'll just turn on like cold log right now. Straight log. Color gamma. Yeah, straight S log. All right, straight S log. How did I have this thing framed up? It was like this, I think. Oh man, lost my face, huh? How did it get lost over there? How did my face get lost over there? Okay. Oh, crap. All right, boom. All right, I'm gonna have to just this guy's tripping. take it on faith that the lighting is good. Because I don't have the gamma assist. It looked all right, though. I think it should be fine. All right, the next thing I feel like I have to do is, because I'm going to get up and get different focal lengths, I feel like I need to like tape mark where I'm going to be at so I could and then this fucking focal point too. I might have to just set it off autofocus once I get the focal point right. So yeah, so let me get the tape. The OG DJs. We got the OG DJs. Now I gotta, excuse me, plug them in. OG DJs. I wonder, fuck, if I put this up, it's going to make it heavier. Hopefully it doesn't fuck it up. All right. Yo. Okay. All right. Tapped in, bro. Finally. Let me hear it get locked back in on my face. All right. Let's do this. First shot. Is it all right? It looks like it's pretty solid. Okay. All right. Camera 1 rolling. Camera 2 rolling. Let's get this shot done. I should kind of want to hide these mics, so maybe I'll like. The best advice for people feeling lost in life. So, that was the intro shot. That was the intro shot. The hook. All this light setting up and shit, all that for that intro shot. Was it worth it? Hopefully it looks cool. Oh, I'm gonna shoot like the transition like side shot from there, so. Now is like the transition shot for like, I think I'm just gonna use like the Ronin foot thing and screw it onto like the vertical side mount and see if it works. Let's see. It looks like it might work. Let's see. Totally works, dude. This is sick. All right, let's see. Now I gotta get this shot right. The only thing, I wish I had I need to get like a little tripod head that, I could have it if the adapter worked. All right. All right, let's just try it, I guess. All right, let's see. Who's here? Oh yeah, it's fucking autofocus. It's all bust. All right, damn it. So I recorded the next section. I might do. I got an idea for the next one. So I might do like book B-roll, like straight up book B-roll. Pull it out, show it on the shelf maybe. I have a lot of my favorite books here. I kind of want them back at my house. All right, let's do it. Not super clear on exactly how I'm going to do the next section. Oh shoot, the mic. BTS mic is way over here. All right, so I'm not super clear on how I'm going to do the next section. I might just do B-roll. I'm going to do B-roll shots. And then I got to figure out how to do the narrative. All right, so I just shot B-roll of the books. I'm going to like kind of quote. So I think like maybe I'll just like layer that over like me doing B-roll of like what the next talking point is. Seems easy enough. I'm trying to figure out where to do it now, like what set. Ooh, I have an idea. I'm gonna do it like right here in the this is like my key light to do my talking head stuff, which I'll do like my full training video on. But I think this is cool. And I also had a step stool. I need to get like a utility closet for this place. I almost bought one. I bought like a half. I should have bought the full one. I don't know what I was thinking. But that is kind of cool too for like a stand for my stuff. I don't know. Everything's working out for my best interest. Let's go. Dude, filming everything has been a challenge. But I am... Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty stoked. Building YouTube has been a new challenge. Maybe it's something I needed. It's like breaking the next comfort zone, you know, something I needed to do. So I gotta just keep pushing the envelope, bro. I gotta keep showing the world why I'm so dope. I mean, I already know I'm dope, but like, the world's gotta know, you know what I mean? Actually, it doesn't matter. Actually, it doesn't matter if the world knows. I might even do the second. I might do like the Tim Grover one. The Tim Grover reel I had a desire to do. All right, I'm going to take a break and go to the bathroom and I'll be back. I had this other mic on. I might just redo it. Damn it. I'm filming the talking points now. I'm just going to redo it. Damn it. Okay. That was a lot too. It was like a lot to do. Now I don't even remember the frame of it. Yeah, I think the framing was like this. Yeah, it was more like this. Alright, this shit is all over here. We gotta nail it. Earl Nightingale. The strangest secret. Whatever the the strangest secret. Whatever. Okay. The strangest secret. You become what you think about most. Napoleon Hill. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and bring itself to believe, it can achieve. It can achieve. It can achieve. I got the full video on YouTube, same handle as my Instagram. Shit. Alright guys, I mean that's what I had planned for this reel. I struggled a little bit bringing it to a conclusion at the end, but I think I got it. That is the BTS of how I filmed a reel for it. It only took me about an hour. The studio's a mess. I gotta rearrange all the cameras and set everything up for the talking head version of this. So let's get to it.